In today's video, I'm going to show you how to join shapes in Tinkercad the easy way, using the Group tool. This is one of the most useful basics to learn if you want to combine multiple shapes into one solid object, whether you're making custom parts, simple models, or more advanced designs. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Tinkercad tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. Once you're inside your Tinkercad workspace and you have your shapes placed on the work plane, the first thing you need to do is select the shapes you want to join. You can do this in a couple of different ways. The easiest method is to hold Shift on your keyboard and click each shape one by one. This lets you choose only the objects you want to combine. If your shapes are close together, you can also click and drag a selection box around all of them at once to select everything in that area. After your shapes are selected, look at the top right toolbar. You'll see the group icon, which looks like a circle and a square coming together. Click that group button, and Tinkercad will merge the selected shapes into one grouped object. This means the parts will now behave like a single solid item, which makes it much easier to move, resize, duplicate, or edit your design as one piece. There's also a handy keyboard shortcut if you want to work faster. On Windows, press Ctrl+G. On Mac, press Command+G. That instantly groups the selected shapes without needing to click the toolbar button. It's a great shortcut to remember if you use Tinkercad often. Now, if you ever want to separate the shapes again, you can simply select the grouped object and ungroup it using the Ungroup option. That gives you flexibility in case you need to make changes later. But for joining shapes together, the Group tool is the key step. So, to quickly recap, select your shapes, click the group icon, or use Ctrl+G on Windows and Command+G on Mac. That's all it takes to join shapes in Tinkercad. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more step-by-step design tips, and leave a comment if you want to see more Tinkercad guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.